How to post a journal in the Nominal ledger. In the Nominal ledger menu, click Post Journal. The following screen will appear. Please note the system will default to today's date. If this is not the date you want the entry to appear in the Nominal, amend the date accordingly. A reference can be added, and this will appear on all lines within the journal posting. If selected, the Reverse Journal checkbox will post an entry into the selected period and automatically reverse it in the next nominal period. This feature is useful when posting accruals and prepayments. If you require a batch report, click Print Batch Report. Journals can be imported from a file using the Import File button. This will be covered in a separate video. The appropriate detail should then be entered. The nominal code can be either entered or can be populated using the lookup function. In common with other processes within Navigator, a negative amount will indicate a credit entry, and an unassigned value will be a debit entry. The note box will allow a unique narrative to be added to each individual line if required. On the right-hand side of the screen, there are various input boxes which require posting to if a scheduled nominal is being posted. An example would be where a journal is being posted to the vehicle stock account. Here the stock number should be entered in the stock reference box so that the scheduled nominal reporting correctly reflects this journal. In our example, no scheduled details are required. Click the Add button. This will move the entry into the journal section. Enter the next line of the journal. Once all lines have been added, the amounts at the bottom of the screen should be zero. And the Post Journal button will be available. If an error has been made, the line can be double-clicked to remove. You will now note that the Post Journal button is grayed out and not available as the journal doesn't balance. By re-adding the line, the journal once again balances and we can post the journal. Once the journal has been posted, you will be presented with a batch reference number. Click OK. You can now view your posting in the transaction report. In order to see your specific transaction, click Update Ledger with today's transactions and then press Report. The journal posting is now displayed.